So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is day 15 of our 60 days property insight series exclusively launched by SBP Group of Real Estates. I'm your host Kajal Gaur, and guess what? I'm back with another banger opportunity designed just for your needs. So let's get started with the video. But first of all, I want to remind you guys, once Modi ji called oil as black gold and semiconductor chips as the digital diamonds. You might be thinking, why am I calling this right now? Because these semiconductor plants are coming straight to the Jeddah city, and in today's video we are going to discuss what does this mean for investors and what does this mean for the plot that I am about to share today. So first of all, we'll start with discussing what is a semiconductor actually. Basically, it is a tiny chip setting up in your phones, your cameras, your laptops, pretty much everything around us that runs on tech. From electrical cars to fighter jets, this chip is the brain behind all those modern machines. And from years, these chips were being imported to India from different countries for different manufacturings. But now, Jeddah is all set to flip this story, because Jeddah is setting up what is being called India's biggest semiconductor park. According to the reports, it is coming up in Sector 10 and Sector 28 in around 325 acres of land, all dedicated for this one massive tech project. It is going to change the whole ecosystem of Jeddah in the upcoming years. And the real power lies in where it is being built, because the connectivity is unbeatable. It is just 5 to 7 kilometers away from Jewar International Airport. It is directly connected to Noida, Delhi and Agra via Yamuna Expressway, directly connected to Eastern Peripheral Expressway, and a freight corridor is being built for the import and export of these chips. I know I'm late to tell you this, but a company named as Aditech Semiconductors Private Limited have got the approval for setting up a brand new semiconductors plant here. They've been allotted with the letter of intent back in June 2025, and according to reports, they are being allotted with 15 acres of land in Sector 10, in which they are going to invest around 3,000 crores and creating an employment up to 2,000 numbers of jobs with this one single project. And with this kind of setup being developed in the heart of Jeddah, one thing is obvious: massive investment potential. This is simple. Whenever workforce and development comes in, real estate have always followed it. And if you are looking for a property which you want to invest in long term, then this is that kind of opportunity with basic entry prices, which is nothing as compared to tomorrow's appreciation. And with that, we are featuring today's plot, presenting plot number C600 of Sector 17 Jeddah, a 120 square meters northeast facing registered plot, just perfectly located between the semiconductor park zone and the residential belt development. Now, I want to tell you that ek cheez to तय है. In the upcoming years, this entire stretch will have industries, companies, cafes, residential belts, co-living spaces, everything a city needs to grow itself. Plots like these, which are well connected, well located, registered, and at such a good price of rupees 1.18 crores, they are not just for building homes, they are strategic assets. Because whenever the infrastructure grows, whenever the workforce moves in, the property prices in the particular belt not just rises, they multiply. And Sector 17 of Jeddah is quietly becoming the new backbone of the city. It is getting direct benefits from every new project, be it metro extension, film city project, and now this semiconductor park zones. So if you are also looking for a property that has peace, potential and purpose, then this is a perfect deal for you. And to grab this, you have to contact the given number on the screen, and the number is given in the description as well. So just reach out to us, and I or my team will guide you further regarding the property details. So thank you for watching this video till the end and supporting us in this journey. Tomorrow we'll be meeting again with another insightful update or opportunity. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected and stay smart.